Have you observed a sea turtle in the wild having a meal? Have you ever wondered what it was eating that it can forget the world around it? I'm hoping to solve that mystery, but first we'll have to find a turtle under the ocean that's in the middle of having lunch. It's a busy day in the sea at Tenggol, in the east coast of Malaysia. All manner of marine life seem to be up and about, especially the usual suspects: the good, the bad, and the ugly. That means we're gonna have a great dive. Let's do a gear check and pack the macro lens too. Gear up, dive up there and shoot it great. This is dive instructor Ivan of Club Nomad. It seems Ivan is a turtle magnet. Turtles nearby swim over just to see him. Maybe it's his yellow wetsuit. What do you think? Oh wow, Ivan has already found us a turtle that's in the middle of lunch. Perfect. I'm switching to macro for this shot. Now's my chance to find out what's so yummy. I have to get real close so that I'm filming almost right into its mouth. I begin my descent onto the ocean floor. That's a Hawksbill turtle. It has claws on its four flippers. They have a mouth that's shaped like an eagle's beak. They love to eat sea sponges, small fishes, and jellyfish. Now we can see what it's having for lunch. Oh, come on! So how? Have to change angle though? It's some serious lunch, like a power lunch. Or maybe it just doesn't want to share. It was a tricky shot. The turtle was surrounded by corals and rocks. I'd guess this turtle was after something real tasty that has retreated into a fortified hiding place. Maybe it was some shellfish. Looks like that's a lunch that got away. Turtles can't see the difference between a jellyfish and a plastic bag. So keep those bags away from the ocean. And don't worry, this turtle didn't go hungry. See? Goodbye and have a good life, turtle. Oh hey, this is Venus. She wants you to know that all great dives should always have a turtle in it. I'm sure all of us agree with Venus. This is Baron and it's video accomplished.